Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we shall discuss the remaining questions of verbal part, that is English communication test that was asked in GSPAN. So in the previous video we have discussed the questions from 8 to 13 and in this video we shall discuss the question number 14. So question number 14 is, what is the correct sequence of sentences? So there will be 4 options and you need to rearrange the sentence to make a complete sense, or you can say to make a complete form of sentence. So therefore, so the first word like therefore keeping the walls warm can save heat. So therefore you can say conclusion statement which will come at the end. So therefore you can say it is a conclusion statement and it comes at the end. So we need to find the first. So you can easily find out based on the options that will be provided. So office managers who leave the heating on over weekends report low turn the heating off at these times. And next thing is, this has been proven in several academic studies that is supported. When heating is turned on in a cold building, a lot of heat is found in the walls. So first thing is, they have here in this question they have told about the heating. So we need to start with when. So when heating is turned on in a cold building, a lot of heat is found in the walls. Office managers who leave heating on over weekends report low turn the heating off at these times. This has been proven in several academic studies and is supported. So therefore keeping the walls warm can save heat. So it will be starting from D, then followed by B, then C as well as A. So this makes the proper sentence. So you can easily find out based on the options that are provided. So next thing is, based on a spate of hospitable planets or Goldilocks planets, as scientists affectionately dub them, recently found orbiting the stars of 3 distinct solar systems. Astronomers have been able to dash the number of Earth-like planets in the universe, a figure much higher than previously estimated. So here you need to, so blank is provided and based on these options you need to find the correct option. So the correct option, so like the options provided are insinuate, extrapolate, intuit, disprove and indicate. So based on the spate of hospitable planets or Goldilocks planets, as scientists affectionately dub them, recently found orbiting the stars. So orbiting the stars, so you need to find the word that is orbiting the stars, means you are going to extrapolate it. So from the option you can easily find out extrapolate is the correct option for this question. So extrapolate is the correct option. So able to extrapolate the number of Earth-like planets. So extrapolate. So you can say extrapolate the number of Earth-like planets in the universe, a figure much higher than previously estimated. So next one is find the correctly spelled words. So there are 4 words and you need to find which one is correctly spelled. So the first thing is amalgamation. Amalgamation, this is not correct. Then amalgamation, this is also not correct, and amalgamation is not correct. So the correct option is amalgamation. So the next question is, the journey to the party involved getting dash in the plane, dash in the car and dash the bicycle and finally at the party. So there are 4 options. The first one is in, on, in, on. Then after that followed by on, in and in. So the journey to the party involved getting in the plane. So getting in the plane, you cannot go on the plane. So getting in the plane, then after that in the car as well as and on the bicycle. So the journey to the party involved getting in the plane, in the car and on the bicycle. So you need to go on the bicycle and finally at the party. So the correct option you can say in and on. So in and on, option is the correct answer. So then 18th, there will be passage and based on the passage you are going to find the answer. You are going to write the answer. And next one is 20, also you will be having a passage and we shall see the 19th question. So how much question mark, how much, how many. So options are amount, number, amount and number amount. How much amount is appropriate word. How many number. So this also correct, this seems also correct. How much amount? How many amount? You cannot say how many amount. It is wrong. How much number? How many amount? So this is also not correct. So you can say option A is the correct answer. How much amount? You need, if you are asking how much money is left, so how much amount and how many numbers are there. So like this you can say amount and number is the correct option for this question. So 19th question, so 19th answer we can say how much amount and how many number. So thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.